Hello guys, as
Hi
you can
guys.
see we've got balls.
My ball.
Louise.
And today, we're going to be doing a magic pack. And this is very Christmas.
And very special. We've got very
Christmas
special at the end. This is my Christmas jumper. Wait,
Scarlett, and look at Dewey's.
look. They all
Isn't
flat.
that old?
Right,
so let's get into
the match.
I'll get into my
pack. We're all going to open them, but Ruby's going to show hers first, like we do. Okay. What?
Oh, you got some. Oh, plastic card.
I got so badge.
You got the stone.
You got the stone.
What? Oh my god. Oh my god.
What have you got? This
Right.
one.
Okay, so first of all, I'm a man of the match. Do not know his name, I can't see it. Then I got the whole city badge.
Oh.
And then I got
I'm not.
both codes. And then I
Okay,
got
stop screaming now.
Nolito.
Can I show my pack first, please?
No, then I got Josh.
Stoke. I got a Stoke badge.
Then I got Gokon, Gokon.
Bunny bunny.
Then I got Ryan.
Got any Stoke Cities, Ruby?
Got an away kit. Odeon, no. I got Grant and Donald Love.
Right, okay. I got the Stoke badge. That's too close, I didn't see. I got the Stoke badge.
You don't show the code. You can show the character, but not the code. So, like, cover up the code.
Like this.
Where is it? Where's the code?
There. Like this. Show it like this. That's so they can't see it.
Here's the card. This card.
Code. He's called Robert Snodgrass.
And then I've got the Stoke badge.
Let's do it. Do you want me to hold it? And
Yeah, and I've got that Stoke player.
Ryan Shaw.
You've got two. We've all got the Stoke City badge.
Ben Gibson.
Ben Gibson.
So I say it and then Yui copies me.
And I've got
Damien Delaney.
Damien Delaney.
He's captain of.
This is a midfielder next.
He read it to me.
Brian.
Didn't we just say the last name? Barry. Gareth Barry.
Gareth Barry. Gareth Barry. Gareth Barry.
Barry.
Gareth
Right, he's got a Liverpool player.
and
I don't have him. Lucas Lever,
Lever.
I think. Stoke City, he got on the
Midfielder.
And this Stoke, Joe Allen.
Yeah, I know. Joe Allen's really small. I love Joe Allen. Joe Allen.
Guys, at the end of this video, we have two outs in our house at the moment. One for me and Scarlett, and one for you. And we don't know how we came.
Storm. Danny.
Danny Simpson.
Danny Simpson. Danny Simpson.
Leicester City.
The Simpsons.
Right, last card.
Oliver Good. Wait, I can see it.
Right, okay.
I got 3 Stoke
Right.
things.
Shinji. I can't say the last name. Code.
God, look, can I see the
Yeah.
David Silva.
the best?
Aaron Ramsey.
Don't scream again.
Possession. Tactic card, which
I
is
really
rubbish.
want that card.
No, you haven't.
I'm going to trade it.
Around a cone.
I'm going to trade it for a really good card.
No, not trading it.
Yeah,
Oh, you
Top of
wait.
square.
Hold on, Scarlett, because now you've got that. You traded
Sword.
a really good card.
No, I'm not.
Oh, wait, Scarlett.
Anthony Martial.
Where's
Oh, looks like I'm all alone. Tom Heaton. Stop it! Stop it! I don't want any of my mash snacks.
No. Where's my 101 club? Because you've got loads now.
Why you already got it?
I want it back to give to you.
Star player 6 Aguero. Well, I can give it him. Right, this is the best card ever, guys. Best card.
Not the best card ever in the world.
Gareth Bale, Tottenham. 101 club!
Look at that, guys.
Blue and red. 2015 this is. 2012 actually. You can see that. So that is neat. No, you're not.
Yeah.
Right, so let's go show you the mystery part of the owls. Come on, guys, let's go. It is so weird what the owls have done. Guys, are you ready?
Girls, just go outside 2 seconds while Mommy's on the phone.
Okay. So we have to wait a minute because our mum is on the phone. But guys, you want to see what Josh
Wait,
is
enough.
watching?
So it's Alvin and the Chipmunks.
That's not cool. Yeah, well.
Right, just you want to see this again? Here it is. A good card, guys.
Please give this video the thumbs up
For me. And for Christmas
all of
jumpers.
us. Yeah, for our Christmas jumpers. So amazing.
Mummy, look at this. Look at this.
Stop! Have you...
No, 3. I've got.
Oi!
A shiny soap player.
No.
Ryan Shaw.
And I got
It's the captain?
Yeah,
Yeah,
and I've
and
got
I
him.
got the
I've got
state
him,
player
and then
and
like
then-
the actual player.
the soap thing, and then I got.
It's Joe Allen.
I know.
He's the best player on the team.
Yeah.
No, Bojan.
No, Joe Allen is the best.
Joe Allen.
Guys, who do you
Ryan
think in the
Shawcross.
comments down below if Joe Allen or Bojan is the best?
Oh, Ryan Shawcross.
Yeah.
Allen's the fastest, isn't he?
Allen.
No, guys. Please put
Allen.
Bojan.
Please put Allen.
Gosh, what are you doing?
Eating crisps. These are my cards.
He's just putting stickers on his face, look.
Joe
He's got
Allen,
Finding Dory
Joe
stickers. Guys, would you like to bounce up? Well,
Joe Allen.
right, now it's going to be having a crazy bit while we wait for the mystery. Quick flash, guys.
Let's have
Quick flash.
Joe Allen.
So Yoa's going to jump off the sofa. So awesome.
3, 2,
1.
Joe Allen.
right, Ruby. Three.
Vote for Bojan.
Please vote for Joe Allen.
Right, someone hold this. Ruby.
Please vote
No.
for the best player in the world,
Bojan.
Stoke. So guys, so thumbs this video up if you love Bojan.
Right, can you hold it and then I jump?
I want Joe Allen to win. Please. And it's Joe Allen.
Please make in Manchester United different.
Because Ginger love Manchester United.
No, they don't.
They do, they support it.
Ruby, pull it back on. Thumbs up if I can touch the roof. I touched it.
Can you
Right,
touch on the normal
please.
sofa then? Guys, I'm going to touch it on the normal sofa. Ready? Oh, I can't do
Ruby,
it.
come down.
Hold on, guys. Let's try. Hold on.
Down.
Oh,
Come down now.
so close, but
Todomus.
Please vote for all the 100 clubs in the world.
Right, now we're going to try
What
to
do you
try.
vote for? Please vote for Nemo. And Josh votes for Nemo.
Are you guys
Guys.
I'm just going downstairs. I need to make a phone call.
Right.
Stay down here.
So
Right,
this
guys.
is what the Alf's done.
You in the back,
Ellie
so you're going to
drinking beer, and Jeff, like all of our toys are playing cards. No, the mince pie is. Jeff is my elf, and Ellie's our elf. You can see on our YouTube. Jeff
and Ellie.
Jeff and Ellie.
Guys,
Right,
have
so
a quick
we're gonna
look.
have to say goodbye. I need to see.
So we're going to say goodbye now. We'll look for
Oh,
Ellie.
it's some money.
Oh.
It's a card.
So guys, but we're going to say goodbye, Yui.
Yui?
Going to say goodbye, so we'll see you on the next video with Yui.
Bye.